Unlocking Madonna. Dive into her legendary journey and musical genius. Join Music Educator today. In a world where stars are born amidst glitter and glam, Madonna Louise Siccone's ascent from the humble environs of Bay City, Michigan, to the pinnacle of pop royalty stands as a testament to the transformative power of ambition and artistry. Her journey, marked by relentless innovation and a knack for controversy, redefined the music landscape, urging us to delve deeper into the stories of music legends who similarly shattered norms to etch their names in the annals of history. Madonna's groundbreaking performance at the 1984 MTV Video Music Awards, where she emerged atop a giant wedding cake to belt out "Like a Virgin," was more than just a moment of entertainment. It was a bold declaration of independence and a harbinger of her musical evolution. This iconic act not only cemented her status as a pop powerhouse, but also paved the way for artists to use the stage as a platform for self-expression. Subscribing for more on such iconic performances promises a journey through the heart of music's most electrifying moments. Among the pantheon of pop culture icons, Madonna's career is particularly notable for its tapestry of controversy and impact. From the provocative "Like a Prayer" music video to her outspoken advocacy on social issues, her actions sparked debate, but also ushered in a broader acceptance of pushing boundaries. This blend of controversy and artistry not only fueled her career, but also influenced the trajectory of popular music, inviting a deeper exploration into the history and legacy of music's most influential figures. Madonna's influence extends beyond the realm of music. Her chameleonic fashion sense and relentless reinvention have left an indelible mark on the industry, inspiring legions of fans and designers alike. Her ability to use fashion as an extension of her music and persona underscores the symbiotic relationship between these two forms of expression. Subscribing for insights into the lives of music and fashion icons offers a window into the minds of those who dress to express and impress. Dubbed the Queen of Pop, Madonna's reign has been underscored by a litany of hits that have become anthems of generations. From Material Girl to Vogue, her tracks not only dominated the charts but also shaped the soundtrack of the era. Her story, a blend of relentless ambition and unparalleled talent, serves as a beacon for those looking to decode the secrets of pop culture icons. Encouraging subscription invites an exploration into the lives of those who have left an indelible mark on our cultural landscape. In the annals of music history, the tale of Madonna begins with her humble origins, struggling in the gritty streets of New York, armed with nothing but ambition and raw talent. Her journey from obscurity to global stardom is a testament to sheer perseverance, inspiring generations of artists. Madonna's ascent to pop royalty was marked by the release of iconic tracks that reshaped the music landscape. Each song, a chapter in her storied career, showcased not only her evolving artistry, but also her uncanny ability to captivate audiences worldwide. Her hits became anthems, echoing across dance floors and radio waves. Amid her meteoric rise, Madonna's influence extended beyond the charts, shaping the cultural zeitgeist of the era. Her pioneering spirit, challenging societal norms and pushing boundaries, cemented her status as a revolutionary force in music. She became an icon of empowerment, challenging the status quo. The Queen of Pop's legacy is not just in her chart-topping hits, but in the indelible mark she left on the music industry. Her career, spanning decades, has been a beacon of innovation and resilience, inspiring countless artists to follow in her footsteps, pushing the limits of creativity. To delve deeper into the stories of music's most influential figures like Madonna, who have not only defined their era, but have also paved the way for future generations, is to understand the fabric of our cultural history. Subscribing to this journey through music history invites an exploration of the legends who shaped our world. Madonna's career is a testament to the power of collaboration, seamlessly weaving her voice with the talents of other artists to create unforgettable hits. Her knack for choosing the right partner, from Justin Timberlake to Maluma, not only showcased her versatility, but also solidified her status as a pop chameleon. This ability to adapt and thrive in the ever-changing music landscape is a hallmark of her enduring legacy. With each collaboration, Madonna ventured into new territories, exploring different genres and sounds. These partnerships were more than mere musical experiments. They were strategic moves that kept her relevant in a fast-paced industry. Her solo achievements, however, remain the bedrock of her career. Albums like a Virgin and Ray of Light are monumental, each marking a new era not just for her but for the music industry at large. Subscribing to learn more about musical collaborations opens a window into the creative processes of artists like Madonna, whose work with others has produced some of the most iconic songs of our time. It's an invitation to delve deeper into the stories behind the hits, understanding how artists combine their unique talents to create something truly special. Madonna's influence on the next generation of artists is undeniable. From Lady Gaga to Ariana Grande, many have cited her as a major inspiration, not just musically, but also in how they navigate their careers. Her ability to constantly reinvent herself while maintaining an authentic connection with her audience sets a blueprint for success that many strive to emulate. Encouraging viewers to subscribe for more stories on future music legends offers a bridge between the past and the future. It's not just about celebrating what has been, but also anticipating the new waves of innovation that artists like Madonna have inspired. Her legacy is not confined to the records she's broken or the controversies she's navigated. It's deeply rooted in her impact on the industry and how she's paved the way for those who follow. In an electrifying moment that transcended the realm of sports and entertainment, Madonna's Super Bowl halftime show captivated millions, showcasing her unparalleled charisma and artistry. This performance not only solidified her status as a pop icon, but also set a new standard for live entertainment, merging music with spectacular theatrics. Madonna's journey from the streets of New York to global stardom is a testament to her relentless pursuit of success. Her ability to continuously reinvent herself while staying true to her artistic vision has inspired countless others to follow in her footsteps, making her story one of the most inspiring rags-to-riches tales in music history. Amidst controversy and acclaim, Madonna has always used her platform to champion the rights of the LGBT community. Through her music, videos, and public statements, she has become a beacon of hope and a symbol of strength, advocating for equality and understanding in times of both adversity and progress. Madonna's uncanny ability to anticipate and set trends has left an indelible mark on the music industry. From fashion to music videos, she has consistently stayed ahead of the curve, influencing not just her peers, but also shaping the tastes of entire generations, making her a true trendsetter in every sense. Venturing beyond the confines of music, Madonna's foray into business ventures has showcased her acumen and versatility. Her successful engagements in fashion, children's books, and the fitness industry underscore her entrepreneurial spirit, highlighting a career that transcends the boundaries of mere musical achievement, setting a blueprint for artists as multifaceted entrepreneurs. In an era where the realms of music and business seldom intersected with the finesse that they do today, Madonna emerged not just as a pop icon, but as a visionary entrepreneur. Her ventures beyond the microphone into fashion and children's books illustrated a keen acumen for business, setting a precedent for artists aspiring to become moguls in their own right. Her ability to transform personal brand into a diverse portfolio showcased a forward-thinking approach that has inspired generations of musicians to follow suit. Madonna's journey from the streets of New York to the pinnacle of global fame is a testament to the power of reinvention. With each album, she not only evolved musically, but also visually, constantly reshaping her image in a way that captivated the public's imagination. This chameleon-like ability to adapt and change with the times while staying true to her core has cemented her status as a cultural icon, proving that reinvention can be as much a part of an artist's arsenal as their music. Behind the scenes of her daring performances lay an innovator who pushed the boundaries of what was considered acceptable in mainstream music. Madonna's willingness to explore controversial themes and incorporate them into her live shows broke new ground for artistic expression. Her fearless approach to performance art challenged societal norms and opened doors for future artists to express themselves more freely and boldly. Madonna's influence on pop culture extends far beyond her music. Her knack for trend-setting in fashion and music videos has left an indelible mark on the industry. By seamlessly blending style with substance, she crafted an iconic image that is both timeless and influential. Her contributions have shaped the way artists approach their public persona, blurring the lines between music and fashion in a way that continues to resonate today. The story of Madonna's iconic songs is not just a chronicle of chart-topping hits, but a narrative of music's ability to influence and reflect societal changes. Each track offers a glimpse into the era it was born out of, serving as cultural milestones that capture the spirit of the times. Her discography is a rich tapestry of the evolving landscape of pop music, inviting listeners to explore the stories behind the songs that have become the soundtrack to their lives. Madonna's rigorous fitness and health regimen, often deemed revolutionary during her peak, played a pivotal role in her career longevity. Embracing yoga, strict diets, and intense workouts, she not only sculpted her iconic physique, but also set a precedent for artists prioritizing wellness alongside their craft. Her tireless dedication to maintaining peak physical condition undeniably contributed to her ability to deliver electrifying performances well into her career. This emphasis on health and fitness signaled a shift in how artists approach their offstage lives, intertwining personal well-being with professional endurance. As a music video pioneer, Madonna leveraged the burgeoning platform of MTV in the 1980s, revolutionizing how music was consumed and marketed. Her videos were not just promotional tools, but cinematic experiences that elevated her songs to visual anthems, influencing generations of artists to see music videos as an art form. Madonna's memorable quotes, ranging from provocative to insightful, peppered her interviews and public appearances, contributing to her mystique and enduring influence. These utterances became part of the cultural lexicon, reflecting her unapologetic stance on fame, sexuality, and artistic expression. The controversies that surrounded Madonna throughout her career often fueled her fame rather than hindered it. Each scandal, whether it was a provocative music video or a bold live performance, seemed to only cement her status as a boundary-pushing icon, proving that controversy can indeed be a catalyst for success. Madonna, an emblem of audacity in the music industry, ventured where few dared to tread. Her artistic risks, a blend of provocative imagery and innovative sound, not only shattered conventional boundaries, but also redefined pop music's landscape. This fearless approach catapulted her to unprecedented success, earning her the title of pop royalty. Her career, marked by a relentless pursuit of evolution, mirrors the dynamic shifts in music over decades. Madonna's ability to adapt and reinvent herself has ensured her lasting legacy, making her an enduring figure in the ever-changing world of music. Her journey is a testament to the power of reinvention and sustaining relevance. Throughout her illustrious career, Madonna has been a beacon of female empowerment. Through her songs, performances, and public statements, she has championed the rights and independence of women, inspiring generations. Her influence extends beyond music, contributing significantly to the global discourse on gender equality. Among her many accomplishments, Madonna's live collaborations stand out as moments of magic. These performances, often with other music legends, not only showcased her versatility, but also her ability to create unforgettable moments on stage. Each collaboration was a celebration of musical genius, leaving audiences mesmerized. In the confluence of fashion and music, Madonna emerged as a pioneering force. Her iconic looks and fashion choices became as influential as her music, inspiring trends and making her a style icon. This intersection of music and fashion underscored her multifaceted artistry, cementing her status as a cultural trendsetter. In an era where collaboration was a touchstone of musical evolution, Madonna's live performances with fellow artists not only captivated audiences, but also showcased her versatility and willingness to blend different musical genres. Her solo achievements, remarkable in their own right, were thus enriched, fostering a legacy of live music magic that continues to inspire. Madonna's influence on the fusion of fashion and music marked a transformative period in pop culture. Her ability to seamlessly merge the visual and the auditory, to make fashion statements that complemented her musical innovation, set a precedent. This symbiosis between music and fashion catalyzed a new era where artists were expected to embody their art in every aspect. The storytelling prowess of Madonna in her songs reveals a profound depth to her music, inviting listeners into vivid narratives. Her discography, a tapestry of tales, showcases her skill in weaving emotions, experiences, and commentary into melodies that resonate. This method of storytelling through music remains a testament to her artistic genius. Throughout her career, Madonna garnered numerous awards and accolades, each a testament to her enduring influence and contributions to the music industry. Beyond the trophies and titles, these recognitions highlighted her role in shaping the musical landscape, proving that her talents were not just commercially successful, but critically acclaimed. Madonna's pioneering spirit in the music industry has left an indelible mark on today's music scene. Through innovative sounds, daring performances, and a knack for reinvention, she paved the way for future generations of artists. Her career stands as a beacon of music innovation, inspiring those who seek to break molds and push boundaries.